Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello subscribers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. In this video, I'll be discussing my secret Nifty trading strategy. In this strategy, I'll be discussing only the price action movement without any indicator, without any oscillators, without any moving averages, and it's been the one of the system which I have been following for many years now. And as a trader, trading Nifty is a very a liquid instrument, uh, a volatile, I would say, a good momentum instrument where you can gain a good trades in a day, or probably a holding period of 2 to 3 days. And I just keep, and again, this is not a focusing on just an intraday. I'm being a swing trader, not an intraday trader. So I have defined a system which helps me to stay out of the screen times where I am being required to do other stuffs. I don't want to be in a time where I should be in front of screen every day, right from 9:15 to 3:30 a.m. And most importantly, I have defined a system where there is a trade at a fixed time during a day. So a couple of minutes at that point of time, looking at the charts, looking at the trades, it is there or not, and entering into a trade is very important. So let's start with the system. I'll share my screen with you. So the system is defined or developed on a base on Heikin-Ashi candlestick pattern. So basically, what is Heikin-Ashi candle pattern? It is slightly different from the bar or normal candlestick what you have been following for quite long. So there in the candlestick pattern there are n number of patterns onto the candlesticks, be hammer, shooting star, doji, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, abundant baby, homing pigeon, n number of stuff. But in the Heikin-Ashi candle there are only three type of candles. If you look at the structure, it remains same as what the candlestick is. There is a body and there is a shadow. The bullish candlestick where the open and low are same. There's a bearish candlestick where is the open and high are same, and there is a doji where you have a shadow on the both the side, and they are the formation is different from the candlestick. So you don't need to do the candlestick formation. There is a charts, n number of charts available on the free website as well, be it the free trading software you are using. So there are a number of systems which are giving Heikin-Ashi now. So what the strategy is all about? So there are some of the rules into the strategy which I follow. It is being traded on Nifty futures, and I've been using Nifty 60-minute or 1 hour charts. It is being continuous chart, and the chart symbol which is that if you are following the continuous chart till the expiry date will be showing the current expiry, and as soon as the expiry completes on the Friday, the next series starts with the end of the current series. But there is a slight change in the expiry week which I'll be discussing with you. The first candle started right at 9:15 to 10:15 a.m. Second candle 10:15 to 11:15 a.m. Third candle 11:15 a.m. to 12:15 a.m. and so on. So those people who are using hourly candle from 9:30 to 10:30, you have to change from 9:15 to 10:15. Every software has this setting, so you can go into the setting and change. Trader executed on the closing of each candle or Heikin-Ashi candle right from 9:15 to 10:15. The candle is closed at 10:15. If there is a trade setup, you have to execute right at 10:16. So there is a fixed time where I'm implementing the trade. So fixed times are 10:16 a.m., which is the close of candle of 10:15. 11:15 close candle, so execution will be 11:16. 12:16, 1:16, 2:16 and 3:16. So these are the fixed execution time. So you need not to be on the front of screen all the time. Okay, if the trade is coming. So if when the trade the candle close, I'm looking for a new trades. Again, I'm repeating, this is for a new trade. The fixed times are there. Always place a stop loss in a system, and being a trailing stop loss system, you have you will always have the stop loss in level. So you have to place the stop loss into the system every morning. If the trade is open at 3:30 a.m., place the stop loss right at 9:15 a.m. or if in case it's opening above or below the stop loss level, exit at whatever price it is. So there may be a possibility that there may be a gap or gap down which is against your stop loss level. So right at 9:16, as soon as markets open, close the trades right at the open. In the monthly expiry week, which is as of now, if you look at this is a monthly expiry week, we have 25th August of expiry, we are on 24th. So the new trade right from Tuesday, which is the expiry week, which was on 23rd of August as the current expiry. If in case there is a new trade on Tuesday, you will do a trade in the next series, which means in case if I'm on 22nd of August, I get a new trade, I'll execute that in the next series in a monthly expiry week. Okay, compulsory low roll is on Tuesday, which is 3:15 p.m. in case there is an open position. Okay, sometimes you can do on Wednesday as well because it's an index, so it won't make much difference, but I generally follow Tuesday or Wednesday, whatever you like you can do. Tuesday is the best time, generally at 3:15. Okay, now what are the strategy of entry and exit? Okay, so entry rules are buy at open after a bullish Heikin-Ashi candle is formed. So HA means Heikin-Ashi candle. I'll explain the trades as well over here. So buy at open when bullish Heikin-Ashi candle is formed, sell at open when bearish Heikin-Ashi candle is formed. Okay, exit rule, use 3 Heikin-Ashi candles, lowest low for longs and highest high for shorts as a stop loss, or there is a SAR which is for a reversal candle if the first criteria is not met. I'll explain what the SAR is all about. Okay, so let's look at the charts over here. Okay, so if I just look at there are two charts on your screen, the left and right. Okay, if there is a bearish Heikin-Ashi candle over here, so if you look at this candle, okay, so 19th August 11:15 a.m. okay, let me put over here. So we had a bearish candle over here. Okay, right at, so if you look at the price change on your left, I just plotted the cross on the bar of 19th August 11:15 am. So if you look at the left chart, which is Heikin-Ashi chart, and the right chart, which is the bar chart, you may see open, high, close and low changes over there. Okay, so Heikin-Ashi based are calculated based on the averages of the previous candle as well. Okay, so keep a watch on this. If there is a bearish candle over here, so open and high over here 17,941.95. Look at the left over here, the Heikin-Ashi open and high are same. So I'll execute the trade right at 12:16. The 11:15 candle closed, I'll execute a trade right at 12:16 when this candle opens. Now if you look at the right screen over here, 11,811 is the open over here. So I'll execute the trade right at 11, 17, 8, 10, at 11. A rupee won't make much difference over here. Okay, so look at the trade over here. Okay, I've been showing this trade for the August series, and in this scenario, to explain, I have not taken a rollover, or I have done into the August series as well. I have not gone into the September series when the new trade happened, just to show the candles over here. But in actual trade, you have the last trade which will be there, probably in case if it is on Tuesday, you have to execute in the next series. But just to explain the candle over here, I have just taken the current series. Okay, so if I just look at the short over here, okay, so the rule says that execute the trade at the open of the next candle. So at 17,800 I'll execute a trade. So this is my execution candle. Okay, so let me write a note. This is an execution candle. Okay, executed shorts at 17,810. Okay, just keeping a rupee cushion over here. Okay, it's executed a short trade at over here. So my stop loss is highest high of 3 candles, Heikin-Ashi candle on a short trade. If in case it is a long trade, I'll look at the lowest low of 3 candles. So here 1, 2 and 3, the highest high was 17,989.95. So 17,990 is my stop loss, or probably you can keep a point of 991. Okay, so 1 point won't make much difference. So 17,990 is my stop loss as of system. What I'll do is I'll use a trailing system over here. So every three candle high, I'll trail the stop loss. So when as soon as it closes on 115, when this candle closed, my stop loss will from, let me put, yeah. So my stop loss from here will change to here. Okay, so the high of 17,990, the stop loss will change to 17,990, 972. You can get the high 17,971.95. So I'm just taking it 72 or 73, probably 1 rupee here and there. Okay, and as soon as the trailing system happens, I'll move the stop loss and I'll keep the stop loss into the system. Now look at the prices over here. Okay, we had seen a huge uptick over here, and look at the previous three candle highs. My stop loss was 17,589, or probably we may have hit over here. Okay, so if you look at the structure, the momentum happened and we had a new trade closed over here. Okay, if I just go on to the long trades now, okay, let me delete this. If I goes on the long trend now over here, we had a bullish Akenashi candle yesterday. Again, I'm repeating, I'm taken this current contract because just to explain the candle over here. Okay, 23rd August was the Tuesday. So as per the system, I have to execute the trade in the September series. Okay, but just to explain, I have taken it as an August. Okay, on 23rd August, 1:15 p.m., we got a bullish candle. If I go on to the previous candle at 12:15 wala candle, 12:15 to 1:15, that was a doji because open we had a shadow both sides. So 1:15 candle was a bullish candle. As soon as the candle closed at 2:15, so 2:16 is my trade execution time. I executed the trade at 216 at 17,590 to 593, whatever the longs. Okay, keeping a stop loss of 17,400 and the low was 431.25. So if I just open the Excel over here, okay, yeah, so I have executed at 2:15. Okay, so I've just taken 11:15 close, so 2:16 would be the entry time. Okay, the close of 2:15 candle 17,593. Again, I'm repeating, I'm taking the August series just to explain the candle over here. Okay, initial stop loss was 17,431. As of now, as of today, okay, when I am over here in today's session, my at the yesterday's close, the three candle low was 17,495.15. So I have taken a stop loss at 17,000, yeah, 17,495 as of now. Okay, so for if in case by 11:15, okay, sorry, by 10:15 my stop loss get triggered at 495. Yeah, so today's low was right at 17,495. So being recording, I have not updated the system. So right at 17,495 my stop loss got triggered. Okay, we have hit the new low. Okay, yeah, so it got triggered and now it is trading at around 17,512. So the system got triggered right at 17,495. So I just updated my system. It executed at 24.8 and the points or loss was around 98 points. Okay, so if I just look at the August series trade as of now, okay, this should be in the September trade, but just to explain, I've taken it in August. So just being a closed trade, I'll just remove the trade. So as of now, since July 27th, this is an August series trade, and if I just look at once the trending system happens, look at this, we have got 728 points. The first trade of the month of the August series being executed on 27th, so it was in August series, I guess 28th or 29th was the expiry, I don't remember the exact date. I executed being probably it may be a Tuesday or Wednesday, the new trade has happened and I have taken a new trade into the next series. Now look at the momentum. When the trending happens, this system will give you n number of it, and as the trailing system goes on every hour, okay, I'm using the trailing stop losses. Now we may have question, there's the last 15 minutes candle, what to do. I'm using it as a last three candles trailing SL. So the last 15 minutes candle is also considered. Okay, some may have a system where they don't prefer the first 15 minutes candle and they try to prefer the 9:30 to 10:30 candle. I haven't tried that system as of now, so I may not comment the performance on for that system. but I'm using 9:15 to 10:15 candle, so you can use that, or you can try it out. You can even try it 30 minutes in case you want a number of trades, quick in and outs. Now if I look at the average holding period of this is 2.73. On an average we get somewhere around two, being a long weekends holiday into the August series, we have got 2.73, but generally you get 1.8, 1.9 to 2.1, 2.2 average holding period. So it's around 2 days of average holding periods a month. You get into this hourly trading system. In case I've taken this per lot, profits and loss of around 38,000. So on an average we have around 1.2 lakhs of margin onto the Nifty. uh, on that we are making around 38,000 as of now into the August series trade. So you can use this system and just keep a watch that you have a hack and assist system on an hourly basis in your systems, which you can implement these trades. And advantage of is that you have a fixed time, so you need not to be in the front of screen all the time. The biggest disadvantage I would say for the system is when the markets goes into the range bound, which I guess happened in probably June, July, or July, August 2021. I guess June, July it was, where there were a number of whipshaws. But when the August series started, we had a bang on move, which was made profit with the June and July range bound trades. So again, this is a trending system, so range bound will be slightly a negative for you. But yes, once the trend starts, all the losses are covered and it gives you a happy moment. All the frustrations are ended into after the range bound momentum. So I hope you'll implement the system. In case you have any doubts, do comment what all doubts you have into the comment section. I'll address more whatever I can, and I think this strategy may be helpful for all the traders community. I hope you make profits of this strategy. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia.